Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what instance variable and a local variable. What is the difference between instance variable and local variable? See here, instance variable. These are declared outside the methods and inside the class. Okay, these variables describe the properties of an object and remain bound to it at any cost and accessible by all methods in the class. Okay, here instance variable is declared, okay, is declared outside of the method and inside of the class. And these variables are, okay, bound to the object. So here every object have what? It's a separate copy of instance variable. Okay, so that is what this that is added, that point is added as a part of second point. See, all objects of class will have the what copy of the variables. Okay, copy of the variables for utilization. If any modification is done on this variable, only the particular instance is what the particular instance is affected, not all what objects. Okay, okay, so this is about what instance variable. Okay, now let me discuss about let me discuss with an example, okay, about the instance variable. Okay, so let me take an example. See, okay, see, I'm going to take an example here, variable test. Okay, new class, okay, variable test. I'm going to take, yeah, now see, finish. Yeah, now it is visible. Yeah. Now what I will do is I'm going to declare a class. Okay, class name is person. Okay, class name is person. So person may have what private uh, string, private string name, and private uh, int age. Okay, private int age. Now what I will do is I'm going to what I'm going to initialize these two variables by using, see here, this source initialize by using constructor. Okay, generate constructor using fields. Yeah, generate. Yeah, so I will okay, make a video of this constructor concept also, as of now for the timing. Okay, so here by using constructor I'm initializing this what this name and age. These two are instance variable as we discussed in the what see here, instance variable declared outside of the methods inside of the class. See, this is what inside of the class and outside of the method. Okay, outside of the method. Yeah, now what I will do is, see here, public void details. Okay, public void details. Here, sys out. Okay, sys out. Okay, sys out. Yeah. Now what I'm doing is here name plus, okay, name plus age. Okay, name and age I'm displaying by using details. Now I'm going to take what one more constructor, default constructor. Okay, person. So without any parameters. Okay, simply what I'm doing is sys out. Okay, object created. Okay, just this is default constructor and this is parameter constructor to initialize what instance variables of what your class. Okay. Yeah. Now, now see here, I'm going to create object. Okay. So person. Okay. P1 is equal to new person. Now P1 dot details. Okay. P1 dot details. Either you can create object by using what person what two constructors are there. No, you can use either one. So here this is P1 object is created by using this what first constructor. So without any parameters. Okay, without any parameters. And second object, what I'm doing is I'm using this second constructor, this one at line number 7. So here I'm passing, I'm initializing what values. Okay, I'm initializing name, name, let's say Anand. Okay, comma age 32. And I'm calling details. Okay, so here P2 dot details. Now what happened? Okay, here you are creating two objects, person P1 and person P2. Right. So see the second point. All objects of the class will have their what copy of the variables for utilization. Their own copy actually. So here, okay, have their own copy of the variables for utilization. Okay, separate copy. Okay. So now here you created what person P1. Right. So person P1 in memory. So what happened? So actually in heap, okay, in heap, so both the objects are created, right? Both the objects are created. 1 second. Yeah, paint. See now P1, okay, is the object is created and it has two instance variables. First one is name and second one is age. Name and age. Okay, and P2, okay, P2. It also has what a name and age. Name and age. Okay. These two has their own copies. Okay. Yeah. Now here see person P1 is equal to new person. Okay. P1 dot details. Here with respect to P1 object, you have not initialized this name and age. Okay. Name and age. Just you have created the object. Okay, just you have created the object, and here person P2 you initialized. Okay, you have initialized what this person this what name and what age by using this constructor itself. Okay, now here while object creation, during object creation only. Okay, so for object P2 you are initializing name as Anand and age as 32. Okay, age as 32. Now whenever you display T1 dot details, so actually there is no value. Okay, you have assigned to the what a P1. So in this case what happened is, so here name is string type. So for string is object. No, for object type default value is null, will be initialized. For age is integer type. For integer, all integer types default value is 0, will be assigned. Okay, so instance variables has what default values. Okay, so if you not okay assign any value to the what instance variables, default values will be initialized. Here whenever you call this P2 dot details with respect to P2, what are the values of name and age, Anand and 32. Okay, see, so let me execute this program. Okay. Yeah, see, object created, what null 0. Okay, so whenever okay you created, see at line number 17 what happened. So at line number 17 person P1 is equal to new person of. Here object is created, okay, by using this first constructor. So this first constructor is going to call. So now it is going to display what object created. After that, you have called P1 dot details. So okay, with respect to P1, you have not initialized name and age. So that's why default values are displayed. And person P2, okay, is equal to new person of Anand comma 32. Now, by using second constructor, you are creating an object. So here you are passing name and age. Now, name and age are initialized with respect to P2 object. That's why P2 dot details means what Anand and 32 will be displayed. So this is the what instance variable. Okay, so instance variables are okay. You can use across all methods in a class. These what instance variables. Okay, you can use all methods. Okay, across the class. Okay, next, what I'm doing is I'm going to discuss about local variable. See, local variables are those variables present within a block. Okay, these are present within a block or function or constructor. It can be accessed only inside them. Okay, so here block can be a function or constructor. Okay, so if you declare any variable inside a block, okay, inside a block, then it is called what a local variable. Okay, so utilization of local variable is restricted to the block scope. So here the declaration of variable is done, what a local variable is done within the method or constructor. No, so you can use within the within the block scope only. Okay, so whenever a variable is declared inside a method, other class methods don't have any knowledge about local variables. Okay, so here, so in which method you are declaring the local variable, only that method knows about that variable. Other methods, okay, don't have any idea about those variables. See here, okay, here I'm taking one more method, details to, okay, details to here, int pin code, okay, pin code is equal to 32. Sorry, not 32. Suppose 508,206. Okay, yeah. Now here what I'm doing is here plus I'm writing pin code. Okay, pin code. Now if you try to access this pin code in this method, okay, in this method, what happened? Pin code. See, it is giving error. Why? Create local variable pin code, create field pin code, create parameter pin code, create constant pin code, change name, change to name. Like this, it is giving what errors. But this name and age you are using in what a details method and the details two methods. You can use this instance variable across all methods in a class. But local variable, see this pin code you are able to use in details too. Why? Because this pin code is declared inside of the method. Okay, declared inside of the method. So this is local to this details too only. Okay, this is what okay, local variable. Okay, so local variable declared what inside of the method, and its scope is what block scope. Okay, so way in which block or in which method or in which what a constructor you defined, you can use in that method or constructor or block. So this is what the difference between local variable and what okay, so local variable and instance variable. Okay, so one more difference, see here what I'm doing is uh, Here I'm generating what setter and getter methods for age and name. Okay. So here what I'm doing is source generate setters and getters. So just I'm creating setters only, not getters. Okay. Get name, set age, set name, set age. Now see, okay. Here I'm removing this P1 for the timing. Okay. Now here I'm changing it to P1 now. P1 and P2. See now here P2. Here I'm changing it to P2. Okay. Now here you created both P1 and P2. Okay. So and names are same, right? Names are same. Okay. During object creation, P1 and P2 both are associated with same values. Here what I'm doing is P2 dot set name. Here I'm changing name to Teja. Okay. Here I'm changing name to Teja. See, here I'm changing name to Teja. Okay. So now see what happened. Okay. So before calling this details method in P2, okay, I'm changing this. I'm updating this name. Okay. So what we will do is so simply call both details methods P1 and P2 after changing what name with respect to P2. Whether okay this P2 name is affecting P1 or not. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so now here what I'm doing is take new. Okay, don't say yeah. Now here see with respect to this program P1 P2. Okay, so P1 P2 two objects you have created, right? So here P1 and P2 you have created. So now here name. So during object creation only you created what? You initialized both name and age. Age 32. Okay. And here name Anand. Age 32. So here what happened? At line number 28 at 29, this will be happened in your what memory. Okay, in heap memory. Now here P2 dot set name of Teja means you are updating what name with respect to P2, right? So now this Anand gets what updated with Teja. Now whenever you call this P1 dot details, okay, okay, details, what happened? So its name cannot be affected. Okay, so whenever you are changing here P2 dot set name of what P2 dot set name of Teja. So it won't affect what it won't affect P1. Okay. So why? Because every object has its own copy of local variables. Okay. P2 dot details means it is going to display Teja and 32. And P1 for P1 Anand and 32. It will display. So let me execute. Then you will get better clarity. See, Anand 32, Teja 32, like this. So this is the what difference between the local variable and okay instance variable. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my videos. Sorry, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and so please give your valuable comments in comment section. So that I can what improve my what okay videos.